This is my cup of coffee, early morning coffee. That's fine. It tastes good. Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how you can make instant coffee in the Samsung Wi-Fi microwave oven. I have the ingredients laid here in front of me. This is milk from the fridge. This is Nescafe Gold coffee, cocoa powder, and as a sweetening agent, stevia tablets from this. I'll add about 2 or 3 pellets. I've mixed it all up in the coffee cup here, ceramic coffee cup, about so much of milk, and to that I've added 1 teaspoon of this 1.5 teaspoons of coffee powder and half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. I mixed it up here, and now I'm going to place it in the microwave oven at full blast for a minute. As I've informed you before, this is a Wi-Fi microwave oven and we set the timing here. So I want to set it for 1 minute. So I'm going to choose microwave and then increase the time to 1 minute. After I place the cup inside, I will press the start button. I mix up the coffee here. I'm going to place it in the microwave oven. Close the lid. I've already set the timing, 1 minute at full blast, and now I have to press the start button. So it's been heated up. Let's open it and see if it is hot enough. It feels hot. The color is good. I'll add stevia tablets to it. Just a couple of tablets will do. Stir it. Now I am ready to enjoy my cup of coffee. This is instant coffee with cocoa. The same can be done in the app itself, SmartThings app itself, but you have to come here. I have shown you how you can do it in the SmartThings app in a video yesterday. You can have a look at that over here. Making a cup of coffee in a microwave oven at full blast will take only 1 minute, because coffee is a liquid and microwaves which transmit and heat up the surface of a substance will easily heat up this cup of coffee. So thanks for watching. Yesterday I made a video on how to make a South Indian filter coffee, and you can see the link up here. Stay connected by subscribing to my channel A.K. Venkatachalam. Like it, share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.